And so lately, we created games, the tank games, just for 5 minutes, but there's a lack of features of it, and it's still not done. So right now, we consume 30 minutes. So here, this is the code here inside this Python. Then this is the Python backend. So we will run the program here, there. So it is now running. So we need to run this one, the min.py. So it's loaded already. So here, up in arrow, up and down arrow, keep moving up and down, then space to fire. So you can see my name here at the top. Then there's a heart for the life. So oops, we're being hit. So two heart left. We return fire. Wait, it's so hard. Okay. Okay, so we got win. Enemy destroyed. So see that? How cool is that, right? So for just 30 minutes, we created this kind of game. Much more if we spent more developing, improving the UI, the game sequence, the lot of adding more obstacles. So, oh my god, I'm so happy. It's so cool having this knowledge. It's so easy to create games. I really love it. Hope you like it, guy. I hope you like it, guys. Cheers. See you next game.